Mod Silver is a table manufacturer. So we're a stocking distributor, but the fun part for us is manufacturing custom tables for the office furniture and hospitality industry. Our main benefit is that we run lean. We keep low overhead, so our prices are extremely attractive for customers, especially when compared to some of the bigger names. We offer a really nice product at a very low price point, and I think it's fun to work with us. I think the whole experience is good. We strive to make it fun, accurate, on time. It's a great family business.
My name's Billy, and I cut table legs here at Mod Silver. Focus on the quality before speed, so we're not putting out a bad product, you know. Wipe the steel down too to make sure there's no dents or imperfections that'll show through the powder coat. You got this nice automated saw. You just punch in your length, very precise. Cut a variety of different sizes. When it's smaller stuff like this, you can cut 4 at a time. Run these through the burr to get a nice smooth end on there.
My name's Cam, the welder here at Mod Silver. Yeah, I've been doing this for about 7 years now. Watching my dad do it for years, and it was just like, man, you're creating all that, you know. Awesome to watch, and being able to do that now, and see my own product, go onto our website and just see the stuff that it's like, man, I made that, you know, it's sweet.
Just launched a new Configura CET extension, place where office furniture designers and salespeople collaborate. All of our products are now in that system where you can click a top and then click the base and it snaps it in place for you. You change the colors, it adds the pricing, it tells you about freight. This makes it so easy for our customers to find our products, specify them, know how much they cost in the comfort of their own environment without having to even ask.
Basics collection, really just an affordable leg that we keep in stock same day.
If somebody's looking for a quick, efficient option, straight legs, T-bases, X-bases. If you're looking for something more than just the basics, perhaps check out our Mod line collection. You'll see a wide variety, all different profiles. And if you don't see what you like, just ask us and we can draw it up.
We're custom here. So our oven is 6 foot by 10 foot. That's how big a part we can do. So custom is great with us. We love it. It's something different. So one part, we'll quote it fast and produce it fast.
So if you have something unique that you're looking for that you don't see on our website or in our collections, send it over to us.
Custom orders here are pretty simple. You can send me a picture of a table drawn on a napkin. You can send us a picture of a rendering from a big office furniture OEM, and we'll look at that and offer our rendition back. So we're just really open to, hey, just show us something about what you want, and we'll craft it to what we think you might enjoy, and we go back and forth until it's perfect. We're a small company, but we can do big work successfully and on time. It's 1 or 500. We're ready for your order.